Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I have a really easy Thanksgiving side recipe for you. We are going to make a fall or harvest broccoli salad. The best thing about this recipe is that it doesn't have to be cooked. So we all know that oven space is super tight on Thanksgiving. So having a side that does not have to be cooked but tastes delicious and has some really fun fall flavors is definitely something that everybody's looking for. So we're going to start with some chopped and washed broccoli. Depending on your size of how many guests you're having, that could depend on how much broccoli you need, but this is what I'm going to start with here, and I'm going to add some ingredients. We're going to do about a cup of sunflower seeds. That's going to give it a nice crunch. We're going to do another cup of a dried cranberry. That adds that nice fall Thanksgiving flavor. And then we're going to add in some diced up bacon. I had a nice thick cut bacon that I just cooked in the oven like normal, chopped it all up, and we're going to add that in. Just a few more ingredients before we make the dressing. I have 2 shallots here that I diced up real small, adding that in as well. And then it's time to make the dressing that's going to hold this all together. So a typical broccoli salad uses a mayo-based dressing, but I want to keep this definitely healthy for the holidays. So we have a cup and a half of a Greek yogurt here, which we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to. If you don't like Greek yogurt and want to use mayo, you absolutely can. So just a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of a champagne vinegar. If you don't have a champagne vinegar, a white wine vinegar works just as well, and we're going to start to kind of whisk that together. After that, we're adding the juice from 1 lemon. So just take a lemon and squeeze it on in there. Perfect. And then we're going to actually do a little bit of the zest of the lemon too, so you're going to want to make sure that you wash your lemon nice and good. And then just scrape a little bit of that lemon zest into the dressing. Then you're going to just whisk that dressing together until it's nice and evenly blended. And then we're going to dump it over our broccoli salad. So we have all our ingredients in a bowl here. We're just going to dump that dressing in. Just make sure you get it all in there, like so. And then we're going to blend it together really nice. So I like to just take tongs and kind of mix it all together because you definitely want this to be blended pretty well. You can also just shake it up in the bowl if you want, but you definitely want the dressing to hit everything and be evenly distributed throughout. I have just a crumbled up goat cheese that I'm going to mix in here as well. You can leave that out, but I actually like to use it. In a typical broccoli salad, you have that cheddar cheese, so I want to have a little bit of cheese in here, but a goat cheese goes really nice with these fall flavors and kind of sticks with the theme. I'm going to give this a taste just before I plate it. Trust me, you guys are going to love it. It has so many fun fall flavors in it. And the dressing is so bright. It's really yummy. Again, the best part about this recipe is you can make it ahead, store it in your fridge, then plate it up really pretty for your Thanksgiving table. It is awesome for that reason. It is also super delicious and a little bit healthier for one of your side options. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and have a great Thanksgiving. Bye-bye, guys.